ang kinabuhi yun, snapstra siya, inana siya kadali. And one thing mang good is we never imagine time because we're really busy and hooked up sa mga butang. I've been thinking most of the time, lately actually, 'di ba? We can hear daghang mga prominent actors, actresses na sikat for the past like century din nangamatay sila lately. Sa Gunson actually, na sila Nora Honor, Freddy Aguilar. 'Di ba? Grabe,
The other day
imagine
lang.
gwapo kailang. I mean, if you really can really imagine no na ang tao we're just really temporary on this onset.
Borrowed time lang ba, no?
Borrowed time na gyud in the sense na whatever things we do, we try to make healthy as possible. Tanan mga vitamins and whatever, then we try to the nicest kanang mga things na pwede natong acquire sa atong kinabuhi. But in the end time, we become naked, all alone. Kaysa to ang kamatayon, solo ra mi gyud ta.